Hey, what is up guys? It's Nick. Hey, how are you? I hope you're good. I'm doing well. So yeah, you probably know what this video is about already because you probably read the title. That's why you clicked on it. Yeah, it's how I edit my IG Instagram stories. So I've been getting a bunch of questions recently. You've been swiping on my stories, sending me DMs, asking me how I edit my stories. How do I get that vintage vibe to my story? So I'm here to explain to you. So you guys ready? You ready to start the video? Okay, let's go. Hey, what is up? So basically I'm going to be discussing 4 different apps I use to edit my IG stories, how to get that vintage vibe. So basically, just want to throw this out here right now. I am not paid by any of these apps. I am not sponsored by any of these apps. I am not sponsored. This video is not sponsored at all. I am talking about these apps because I genuinely like these apps and I genuinely recommend them. This is what I actually use. So yeah, let's get started. So basically, one of the most frequent questions I get is how do I get that vintage film vibe? Cue the footage. So basically, to get that vintage film vibe, I use an app called 8mm Cam. Cue logo. So basically, on 8mm Cam, you have these bunch of different film filters. And you just basically, it's just like a camera app and you just have these different filters you can use and all that stuff. So yeah, I really like it. It gives like a nice vintage feel without it looking too fake. I find it's one of the more authentic looking vintage film apps, and that's why I highly recommend it because it gives this authentic vibe. So yeah, I really like it. And a thing I want to say is I find myself filming horizontally all the time because I make videos, so I'm like, I don't want the black bars. No, I'm never filming vertical. But for IG, you want to film vertical because if you film horizontal, no one really wants to turn their phone to view an IG story. That's not how it's set up. You just want to go tap, look at this, like this way. So yeah, so just remember to film vertical. But yeah, I really, really highly recommend this app. It gives this really cool film vibe. It's like really cool. Yeah. So yeah, that's the first app I've been getting a lot of questions about. The second most questions I've been getting about is how do I do the borders like that? So basically, I use this great video editing app called InShot. So InShot's like this mobile video editor where you can edit videos and all that jazz. So basically, I use it after I film in my 8mm Cam. I then export the footage to here on my phone. So basically, I'll just tap on the video I want. I'll go to canvas, and so the canvas you want to choose is a 9:16 ratio. It has a little Musical.ly icon because that's the ratio for Instagram. And basically, I like minimizing it down a bit so the borders are on all 4 sides. You click confirm, and then yeah, and then you're done. You can change the background color to fit like the vibe of the photo. I sometimes do that, and then you can change duration, add music and stuff. Yeah, and it's like a really good app. I really highly enjoy this app. It's very quick, easy to use, intuitive. Yeah, and you can like do a lot, and I like because it's that border effect, and that's what I really like. So yeah, that's the second app I use, which I really like. And so sometimes after I export for that, I try to upload on Instagram, and it's not the whole video. Well, that's because Instagram stories only lets you post videos and photos up to 15 seconds. And so for a while I was editing under the Photos app trying to guess where 15 seconds was, and I still sometimes do that. But I found this great app recently. It's called Cut Story. So basically you import your photo, video, whatever it is, and you select what social media you want to go for. So for Instagram, IG stories, you select Instagram, and it will cut it into 15-second increments so you're able to post. So I really like this app. It's very intuitive, just a click one button thing. Yeah, and it's really good. And so the last app that I'm going to be talking about in this video is, can you guess what it is? It's Instagram! Yeah, because you need Instagram to post an IG story. So basically, after I've done those rounds of editing, I then go over to my Instagram. You go to the camera, you swipe up, I choose my thing, and then I sometimes add the text or the GIFs on it. I really like Instagram's text, so I really stick by it a lot. Yeah, and yeah, so that's how I edit my Instagram stories for all of you who were asking. Yeah, and I really like it. It's a cool platform. It's different from Snapchat. Snapchat's more like, it's unedited, and like this Instagram stories, like, it's still like not as polished as like your feed, but it's still like you can edit it and sort of make it more artsy, which I really enjoy. And yeah, so I really like Instagram stories, and I just want to say thank you so much, guys, thank you to you all for all the support recently. It's really meant a lot to me. It means a lot, support and direct messages I've been getting. Thank you so much. I'm glad what I'm starting to do in my IG is helping you. I am so... Oops, the camera cut out. I'm sorry. But as I was saying, I am so grateful and thankful for all the support recently on the IG. I'm so happy what I'm doing is starting to help some of you because I've been getting messages and stuff. It really means a lot to me. So I just want to say thank you so much. Yeah, I'm just so grateful. I cannot express it into words. But yeah, if you liked this video and you want a part 2, leave a thumbs up down below. Tell me in the comments what I should do next. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. So yeah, I'll talk to you soon. You're going to do amazing. You're going to do well. You got this. I believe in you. Okay, I'm going to talk to you soon. Okay, Nick is going to go. Okay, bye.